Pointed DS YouTube. Today's another day. Today we're actually going to start falling trees for our driveway. I guess it's the first project on the journey. So it ain't gonna be a whole bunch of talking today because we got a whole slew of trees to cut down. So I guess we're gonna get to it, and hopefully it goes super well. Hopefully you don't run into issues, which nothing goes right, so I'm sure we will. So we're gonna get to it, and we're gonna throw the trees over there. So, man, look at that guy. Focus in nature. Good? He was locked in. He was locked in. Nature's awesome, guys. So, and it's a bright, beautiful, sunny day out here, man. It feels good. No rain this time.